lovelies, welcome back once more. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this sumptuous dinner for my family. This meal came out so yummy and my family loved it. If you want to see how I made this, please stick back and watch the rest of the video. Today I will be making roasted yam with sauce. It's a traditional sauce made with oil bean. We call it oba. So I'm done prepping my yam. I have washed it thoroughly and damped the water with paper towel. Here I proceeded in cleaning my cow's food. I'm going to be washing it and then I will start cooking it.
We paint our story in the stars above, through the highs and lows, through every shove. You pull me close, I feel the flame in the fire.
I will be serving this dish in two ways. I will be serving it with yam and potatoes. After watching this video, you're going to tell me which one paired it the most. Is it the yam or the potatoes? Here I'm prepping my potatoes. I will also roast the potatoes too, just like I did for the yam. I'm using these potatoes because of my kids. They are not really used to yam. That's why I'm making these potatoes. In case they refuse eating yam, then I have a second option.
Lost in what we do. Oh, Amara, you are the sun that lights the way when the day is done. We'll walk this road hand in hand, a love so deep it understands. Life with Amara, it's a melody so true. With every step, every beat, I fall deeper into you. The world can turn, but I'll be here with you. Amara, oh Amara, I'm lost in what we do. Oh Amara, Amara, the song never ends. In this life, with you, we'll always transcend. So let's stay here, just me and you. Amara, oh Amara, forever it's true. Amara, Amara, the song never ends. In this life with you, we'll always transcend. So let's stay here.
In case you might be wondering what is this is called Eire. I don't really know the English name, and this one is called Oziza. And I also have my crayfish. I will be blending them all together for this sauce. It's going to give this sauce a very nice taste. As I said earlier, this is a traditional sauce. It's mostly known in Africa, the eastern parts precisely.
Amara, it's a melody so true. With every step, every beat, I fall deeper into you. The world can turn, but I'll be here with you. Amara, oh Amara, I'm lost in what we do. We paint our story in the stars above, through the highs and lows, through every shove. You pull me close, I feel the flame in the fire of your heart. I'm never
If you love to eat roasted yam, then this method is very nice. You can try this method too. This yam has been roasting in my oven for 1 hour. I brought it out, peel it, carefully peel it, making sure that you are not peeling out the main yam, and then I will return this yam back to the oven after 30 to 35 minutes. This is what we have. This yam is very crunchy. Like, my family loved it, everyone loved it. It's so nice. Use this method and thank me later.
That lights the way when the day is done. We'll walk this road hand in hand, a love so deep it understands. Life with Amara, it's a melody so true. With every step, every beat, I fall deeper into you. turn, but I'll be here with you. Amara, oh Amara, I'm lost in what we do. Oh Amara, Amara, the song never ends. In this life, with you, we'll always transcend. So let's stay here, just me and you. Amara, oh.
Here I'm dishing out the second method of this cooking, the one that I used potatoes. For me, I loved yam. I love to eat yam. So the first method, which is yam, is my favorite. Tell me, what do you think about this video? Which one is the best? Which one do you love the best? Is it the yam or the potatoes? Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for my new subscribers, for my old subscribers. You all are the best. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Stay blessed.
Oh Amara, I'm lost in what we do. We paint our story.